Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2015 Cadillac ATS Luxury Collection all-wheel drive. Stock number Z9907XX. Only 25,000 miles on this ATS. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Red Obsession in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 4-year 50,000 mile bumper to bumper and 6-year 70,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5, leather interior. LA low miles but very clean inside and out. Very safe vehicle with backup camera and rear parking sensors, helping to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Nice size trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Body is free of dents or dings. This luxury collection has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges with customizable dash, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, leather wrapped steering wheel which is heated, great for those cold winter days, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio apps. Navigation, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for climate and radio, along with heated front seats. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect media devices. Spacious glove box with overhead home-like transmitter for garage door opener and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this ATS has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 272 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 70% of the tire tread left. For more information on this ATS, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.